a warm welcome to everyone to the 2024 Flourish, presented by our good friends RBC.
Your presence tonight is a true testament to the incredible community that surrounds us and the shared commitment to education and progress that we all have.
Your commitment to education is not just commendable, it's transformative.
I know the potential that this college, has brought to the city for 145 years, and that the potential going forward. What you're supporting for tonight helps all those learners access education in those areas.
So this evening, my friends, I am going to invite all of you to support our students by making a charitable donation to VCC. $10,000 towards our students. Yes, we got one here at $5,000. $2,500 right here. $2,500. Five, yes, 5. 2 at 500. I've got 1. I've got 2. I've got 3. I've got